Startled cries signal our arrival. This forest is alive and alert.
I'm pulling the ropes tighter now. Set the equipment here, quickly.
In the heart of chaos, we find stories waiting to be told.
As dawn breaks over Panama, the rainforest awakens, a living ocean of green stretching beyond sight. Our journey begins deep within the heart of the isthmus, guided by local trackers. Every step sinks into fertile earth, teeming with unseen life. Sunlight dances between leaves, revealing the hidden cathedral of nature. Startled cries signal our arrival. This forest is alive and alert. Ancient roots twist like veins, each tree an elder in this green kingdom. Tiny engineers, ants, beetles, and termites maintain this living machine. Moisture fuels this realm. Every drop feeds the rhythm of survival. A keel-billed toucan watches curiously, guardian of the canopy. A sudden rustle, a reminder that we are guests here. Capuchin monkeys chatter above, masters of agility and teamwork. A flash of blue, poison dart frogs, small but mighty in defense. High above, a three-toed sloth defies urgency. Time moves differently here. Below, leafcutter ants march like farmers, shaping the forest floor. The white-nosed coati forages, its sense of smell guiding every step. Courtship in color, every dance a performance of survival. A Baird's tapir, Panama's gentle giant, slips silently through water. Heat becomes energy, every ray a lifeline in this humid world. And sometimes, unseen but felt, a predator watches. Rivers carve ancient paths through Panama's beating heart. Aboard narrow canoes, we drift into mirrored silence. Beneath, schools of fish flash silver between roots and shadows. The thunder of waterfalls, life's endless pulse made visible. Even here, the skies remain alive with color and pride. Our lenses fog. The jungle demands patience and respect. A hummingbird hovers, wings a blur, nature's heartbeat frozen in air. Every rock, a city of movement and purpose. Where waters meet, new ecosystems are born.
We need to get this tent up before the light goes.
I'm pulling the ropes tighter now. Set the equipment here, quickly.
As darkness descends, light takes another form.
Look at all the fireflies tonight.
I've never seen them glow this brightly. It's beautiful out here.
Moonlit songs ripple through the wetlands. The jungle's watchmen awaken, hunters of the night. Shadows take flight, silent, precise.
Ice.
Rain, the forest applause.
In the heart of chaos, we find stories waiting to be told.
Morning returns with quiet grace, washing the forest anew. Families reunite. Life here flows in harmony. The cycle continues, mist to rain, life to life. We record what few have seen, worlds within worlds. Butterfly lands on camera lens. Curiosity meets curiosity. From above, Panama breathes, a mosaic of vitality. Moments like these remind us of our smallness. Connection, simple, silent, sacred. The forest endures. Time is its oldest friend. Our journey nears its end, but the story continues unseen. Every farewell here is also a flight. The people of the forest, its true guardians, remain. From above, we see not wilderness, but balance. The day's last light blesses every leaf and river. And beneath the stars, life hums on. This is Panama, wild, eternal, and alive.